Village care is this crazy idea that has been hidden for so long. Village care is transformational power, community transformational power. It's such an easy to handle, easy to grasp tool that has just been waiting to be unleashed, and its potential is immense. In village care, we do not provide solutions. We give information and provide a platform where the community can come together and discuss and then agree what's best for them. When we go to a community, we want to talk to the leaders in that community. We want to assess what are the needs of that community, and we always find it's the same things. We talk about health care. How can we prevent disease even within our communities? By eating the right food, by having good sanitation, by drinking clean water, by washing hands. So if all children learn just how to wash their hands with clean water and soap, 60% of childhood diseases would be eliminated. One of the biggest killers of children in Africa and Uganda is malaria, but it's possible to prevent mosquito bites if all children slept in mosquito nets. We talk about education. We have up to 400 students per teacher. That's unsustainable. We do not have classrooms. But how can a particular community support the school system in their community? How can they support their children to be able to benefit from this education? And then finally, we are talking about economic security. What are communities doing to increase their income, their household income? And there are different ideas and different things communities can do if they are allowed to think. There are things that they can come up with, and we've seen so many great ideas of what communities can come up with that raises their levels of income. It's quite a paradox how Africa, so endowed with natural resources and good food, nutritious food, which is organic and available, also has one of the highest rates of malnutrition. Most of the projects are agricultural. Either they are growing corn, or they are growing vegetables, or they're rearing pigs or poultry or goats or mushrooms. So it has many values. They will be able to have food security, they will be able to improve their nutrition, but they can also earn income from selling these products. Village Care does not give money to these villages. We provide information. When people know what to do and they know how to do it, then they can use the resources they have, because the one thing that is important to us is not really to see things happening right away, but we encourage to start small. So they start where they are. They understand why they are doing it and what the benefit is for them individually, for their families, and for their communities. Just going to a place and training the people and walking away is not enough. We have to come alongside them to make sure there is a follow-up, to encourage them to see what positive things they are doing, what are the best practices, to share our experiences from other communities. With each of the projects the community decides, there has to be sustainability, it has to be practical, and it also has to be burden lifting. The community must have a benefit other than just one thing. They have to have more benefits out of this project. Through this training, we found people resolving other issues that are affecting them that are not even what we expected to find in these trainings. So it's a very good platform, because in Africa, and especially in Uganda, women don't have a voice, especially the rural women, and they find in our trainings they have an opportunity to speak out on the issues that affect them. We would like to work ourselves out of work. We would like the communities to be able to train each other. We think about the practical things that the community can do. People know they can do something for themselves in their communities, and we believe we will develop the resources that occur naturally, and Africa will not be the same place again.